Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about darkening your American buttercream without having to add additional food coloring so you don't either waste more food coloring, change the consistency, or even change the flavor. Here I started off with blue and yellow to make green. We all learned that in elementary school. Or you could just start off with simply using green, but you hardly ever get the shade you want the first time. It's always like an off green or off red or off any color, and you want it to get darker, so naturally you want to add more and more. Don't do that. Start with your emulsion blender. Now, I got this one off of Amazon and it has been a life changer. Maybe I could put the link in the comments, but it has been a massive life changer because I don't know the science behind it. There's a lot of other cake decorators that have explained it beautifully on TikTok. I just know that the heat is what makes the color pop. It allows it to blend in and make it darker without you having to add more and more food coloring. I mean, you can, right? But this here, it is a little more time consuming. So I must warn you about that. But it does really make the color pop. And I've tried it with so many colors, with purples, reds, greens, even yellows sometimes. And the difference is huge. And I was always one to think that the more you add to it, the more darker you get for the color that you're looking for, but that's not the case. So here's how I started with the light, and then after using the emulsion blender for about maybe 5 minutes, if that, this is the darker color, and that's what I was looking for, and it really makes a big difference. So try it out, let me know what you think. This is the green that I went for to make this cake here, and I'm really happy with how it came out. It's really a game changer, so use an emulsion blender. You'll be happy you did.